Yes. Pastor, but this is what you want to use your life for now. I'm gonna do many dilogun 16 years. Not GCSE. Good morning. Good morning, ma. Please, my name is Mstar. You know, I'm looking for Zigbe.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, you are the one. Oh, wow, good. You order for someone to come and check your mood this time. So I'm here to do the work for you.
Okay. But I can't.
Okay, you don't recognize my voice. Actually, I am not the one. But my boss sent me due to one or two things because it's busy, and that's why. Okay, can we start?
Okay, wait, let me change.
No. Come. You don't need to change. You are okay like this. You don't need to
like
change.
I'm okay. Like
yes,
this.
you are okay.
Mono too much.
Just drop it.
Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth? You can be prosecuted for that.
You know what? Just show me any style. So show me any style, so that I will know what to do. No. This is not what I want.
How far do we hear of this?
Your wrist style. Yes. Pastor, but this is what you want to use your life for now. I'm gonna do many dilogun 16 years. Not GCSE. This is what
no
I'm saying.
A-level.
You are doing good. Like
You will
this.
end up in McDonald's.
Wow,
You will end up in McDonald's. That's what I meant.
Yes. Wow.
You are a failure. You are a failure. You can never make it.
Wonderful. Can you just show me another one, please?
You know you cannot
Show me another one.
You are a failure. You can never make it.
Show me another one, please.
You can never. You know you cannot make it.
How many times did they tell you before you know that?
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. God bless you. Please subscribe to Mstarcomedytv on YouTube to get more entertaining and more comedy videos. Thank you very much. Subscribe to Mstarcomedy on YouTube to get daily entertainment videos. Thank you very much and God bless you. Mstar.